Tivos na kwachiro makuru agacenshire amazina Mbabazi Charity kanyine Sande Brian elizoba no rwakatano hebero 5 byo 12 kandi shahane biri ezomwe bazyo ekatukusiye bijamtwe ntujagaruka turu kwisiyaho amakuru agacenshire ombwijire
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
kulangeza enjawulo enkumulito ze tulina ku Global Paint ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiringi
St. Peter's Altar Wine ekozerwa mu mizabibu yonka kandi tebekanisibwe kurungi kukozesebwa mu maramizo St. Peter's Altar Wine nekorwa aba Red Star Wines kandi neshangwa mu maduka gono mu ihanga lyona
Chiche rumba ne Castro Power motorcycle oil akuma digiyonga na mu Burungi netambula bulungi ne bakali bobo Castro Power mufuno kuva ku masundiro ga mafuta ga Rubis wonna mu gwanga
omugacenshire kireki okushera akaruko bwa president Museveni yasiba bundu bujo na Ntoroko.
Therefore, you people,
nabweki edwe bantu
you need to take politics seriously.
tulina kutwala ebyabulemi bya pokopoko tubitwale nga kintu ky'amaani muno
General Muntu yasiba muri Koboko na Maracha yabaraganisa kurwanisa obworo no kutandika amakoro.
Our main focus is develop every area, develop all people.
Government etongwize omurumo gukombeka urutindo ramareho bombe mushanju omurubondo bujo.
Project is fully supported by government of Uganda and it has been captured.
Anagana makuru agacenshire ombwijire President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni herizo bakaruri akashorera mu district ya Bundbujo na Ntoroko kandi abaye yabaraganisa kubombe cerecho macho konjera omutindo ahari kokoa
Gabagari y'amashemerwa abahagizi ba President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obwe bari kumwakira cyayi cy'ishomero ekyabo Madu Primary School omu district ya Bundbujo. Chairman w'entebe ya NRM mu Bundbujo David Kabyanga yashaba President ngo ayikirize kushaba kwabo district egesharwe mu ndijo budget bugendera.
We request that you expedite the establishment of cocoa factory value addition and job creation. We also request you, Your Excellency, that the operationalization of Bugendera proposed district be considered, Your Excellency.
Mubiloki 10 okubo iyo PDM yona byona biyo.
How can you be a president and you say in 100 days I will have opened the boundary for us to have insecurity?
Ngo nebu bagamba bate mubiloki 10 bandri sio nakubasi goyo kikuba isa tugende tutunge amaremo etu agatwajwa
The
hiye.
work of a president is to protect his people and protect the property. Excellency, the hospital in Bundibujo was constructed in 1967 and opened in 1969. However, to date, it needs to be rehabilitated.
Waitu president Bundibujo hospital, main hospital, bakagikwera rukumi n'orwenda nsanju nena. Baitu inende esusie kubi ekwetaga mas kugi rehabilitating byani kera na kuongero ebisika benshi.
President Museveni omukugamba n'abashaki be yabagambira nko kubahikine n'ihanga lya Kongo ngo abayo bashemere kuba nibabagambire barukurabamu enshonga abwenshi bine kushajika NRM habwo kubeka leta obusingi.
Therefore, you people,
nabweki enwe bantu
you need to take politics seriously.
tulina kutwara ebyabulemi bya pokopoko tubitware nga kintu kyamani muno.
Because now you are mixing tribes, religion now, but this is the source of the suffering.
Nangani tukutaka mubini manyabyanganda manyabya madini manyabyagira bitia kwebaka nicha kyonka tunalikiye kintu ekikureka ntubona bona kininkyo kikutubona buni ekimukwete kugambekera
Museveni nagira ngo bwanyuma yo kureta obusinge n'entunguka kandi obwirobwo Uganda kabete ine sente bakabasa kwombeka orugudo rwa Kampala mpaka Fort Portal. Nagira ngo ibura lye sente ryo lyaritire yatesa Yugoslavia kandi Uganda ekikirize kubaho mugasho lero bakombekera mwenguto nko rwamubende Fort Portal mpaka hansharo ya Kongo na Bundibujo.
Mwine byona ebikuru okuyaho okugaruka mukoro orugudo rwa Bundibujo ka
nabwe kidani ibikwetoho emisingi yebyentaiya ebinamunji tuli nabyo oyoho ngo kutwagambie kutura kukuka mu kukora rukude orurugiye Fort Portal kwesa Bundibujo kwikarame.
District ya Bundibujo nemanywa munonga omukwinga kokoa kandi yabaraganisa no kubombekera ekyoma cyo kujonjeraho mutindo.
Tukugenda kutoho ekorero elya koko
ati nkagendaho America ira
nkagendaho mu bajungu ya America ubere busayo ambere
nabagambira beje bakorere chocolate hano
nabagamba base bakore chocolate bakuyaga mukoko hane base bagikorera hane
abukankawa namanyire Bundibujo nibahinga koko
nanganka banimaniye ngo ku Bundibujo mukurima gakoko
bugamba ngo tusobora kwijyayo kwabo kuba okora chocolate no yataga koko no yataga mata no yataga sukari
bagamba
kandi tukahurira ngo Afrika ebyo tubiriyo mutariyo mata
bagamba egeti waitu tukwesa yo nanga kukora chocolate ego kwetagisia koko baitu kwetagisia na mata okwetagisia na sukari ati tukagwango ebibinji ewawe mu Uganda tebeli yeyo
abagambira nti nyowe ntani nywa mata gonka
agamba ne ba mu aibe suba siento ine no mata gonka
nawe cha mata galiyo
nawe ki mata gali yeyo
na sukari eliyo
eliyo
batandike nikigo nikitaga ukorera aharukufuka muno
bagamba atumaniye okay ati bibiliyo baitu tukubaraga tukorera mbali ahoriye munu mbali ahoriye
aharukufuka bahabaza bato umurubwisi
mbali ahoriye munu mbali ahoriye kuhora
ahozire
very cold mbali ahoriye ambali ahoriye
okora the same okora nambagambira nti njya kubatwara hamtu gwa Rwenzori n'umukoreraho so bakaba batuzanira habongo
so tukagenda kukirora bani babara kutugianira bongo konka
becho hate tutungire abari serious tujya gukora nabo tukora chocolate hano mu Bundibujo
ati twatungiye mugoda ogwali serious ogwa maririye tukugenda kukora naye akugenda kutwesi ya chocolate hane Bundibujo
turugonza ka factory kamukonka tugonza town ya makorero mengi nkagare gumurozire
tukubara kutona nkane korero remo iba tukwenda kukurotita abayo makorero gakaniye ngo kumabone gali makorero ganja gatwabona ni kuna benji bisem
so ntwende takarukoto
nawe kitu kubaleta kalina mulito
amakuru agagasha kwa nitatkunda
Webari Anita atukunda government erukurabira ho ministry y'ebyengendo hamwe n'entambara izo bari anyomwe bazyo etongwizeho umurimo gukombeka ho rutindo rwogoma district ya Bundi Bujo orutindo orukumanyonka Nyahuka Mirambi Bridge orino buringwa bwa meters 20 rumuntu rwombekwa ahamjero gwa Nyahuka
Orutindo nuruza kuba n'urunywanisa town council ya Nyahuka hamwe n'egombora ya Mirambo mu district ya Bundi Bujo.
It is a great milestone in the district. The project is fully supported by government of Uganda and it has been captured in our development plans in the environment first. So by the time the district requested for support, the ministry was constrained and we were not able to intervene immediately.
Orutindo runo tusebirire muno nkabataka kandi kabantu babundu buje abo kuba tutaha turugonza kubaho amaizi gano gali strong gakaba nigatwa nigayizura muno nigatwara n'ibintu by'abantu kandi ubirega kwizura mutaro kuguruka akaba ataro muri bugwana kuri Mirambi taha Nyahuka na mbere ari akatare kibirimo.
Engineer Okulo Jeroboam orukora nka assistant commissioner for drainage structures Ministry y'emirimo hamwe n'ebyentambura nwaje kiro mutebekanisa wa ministry ginko mugenye mukura mukorogu.
And as you can see here, Nyahuka is a beehive of activity, and farmers in this area grow cocoa. Now, with this bottleneck, it has been difficult for them to move their merchandise to the market.
Sente ziri kwingana obumbi mushanje n'ekicweka omusente za Uganda nizo zirateekwa mu rumogu kurugwa mu government ya Uganda. Abaruwangana Nyama Engineering Services Limited nibo barimu batwara mu rumogu misho oguri kuteberezibwa kubanuguza kumara emyezi 12 yonka.
Mulimo mulungi abo kuba batakora mulimo mulungi amaizi gano gaina amani maingi muno gasobora gukora ibintu ebisente zona niziwerekera umurundi gumu. So nsaba contractors aba engineers aba government naitwa district ija kuteka abaitu ba engineers bafoke nkamaiso gabataka kurona nti umurimo gwakoro hano gwa umurimo mulungi.
This project we have gotten, we should ensure that by all means we are sustaining it. We are putting ways to ensure that the project is sustained.
Wilfred Keratin or chairman wa town council ya Nyahuka tenderize government abo kuteka Ortindoru agumize untiza kuhere byentambura y'abantu mu district eji.
This bridge has added enough value to the ports in those areas. Formerly, the port in those areas would cost 5 to 6 million, but as I talk now, the port has gone to 40-50 million.
Amakuru agasha kwa Jonathan Singwire.
Webari Jonathan Singwire omunyamahe wahumire General Mugisha Amonto akwatire kigombe echa ante bendera ho mukaruka bonera izuba yaisya ekiro kya kashatu harukushero bushajichi omuchange cha West Nile kandi izuba yasibari mu district ya Koboko hamwe na Maracha. Abantu omuchange kibasha bamuntu kubayisya ho buhereza kwarasinga karuruka president wa Uganda.
Major General Gregory Muchamuntu campaign zezerizoba ezokushirra karuruko ku mutwaro mu ntebe y'obwa president yazikora mu district ya Koboko na Maracha ezo mu cyange cya West Nile kandi yatandikira mu town council ya Ombachi abatura omwanya ogu bayoreka ngo nobwe cyanga ecyalango achor na West Nile barabiro mu kuteganisibwa kwinji okwentaro bitu babicanga cha West Nile basigire munonge nyuma ombyentunguka.
If you see, Mr. President, West Nile has not recovered from that conflict. West Nile has never recovered, and you can witness it in development, education sector,
economics.
Yes, you can see West Nile is behind. Okay, it's because maybe the post-conflict recovery programs or initiatives were not rightly placed or they were not there.
For very many years in the West Nile, there is that disease of fear, which is installed in our people, especially women. They are even tired of Museveni. But the only thing is, they say, if Museveni will fail, there is going to be a war. Now our people are fearing to run to exile again because they went to exile.
For people in Koboko to have decent life, they must have leaders who are firm, who fight for their interests. Whether they are going to be fought or not, they must stand firm and keep speaking truth to power. When leaders fear to speak the truth to government, they will abandon people. Leaders are like shepherds. A shepherd has to be ready to fight a wolf. When a wolf comes for the sheep, the shepherd has to fight. Because if the shepherd abandons the sheep, the wolf will eat the sheep. True or not true?
Muntu yaraganisa ku government ye erikwija kubombekera ikoro kibase kongera eby'obushobozi hagati ya Uganda n'ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo hamwe na South Sudan.
Sobora kuba industrial hub. Kubanga Sudan eya urudo rugenda Central Congo eya mambuka. Sonna zitamuno ugenda Mombasa. N'abagenda Kampala n'abagenda nono kisoboka nga kubaddeko entambula ennungi nga kubaddeko olwere etuukiziddwa mu bitundu ekubawo industries ekitundu kino kikulaakulana amangu.
Muntu kuyarwa mu Ombachi yaza hakichayi kya Boma kandi okweminyeto yayoreka okwetombwita aha bakafuna abahinduire kyanga kyabe kyoro.
Amabene batifera ijo dikira bitomanikira ijo banombiri antikiskulubele agujo mane UP.
When you develop each area and people have got equal opportunities, you also create something which many politicians don't seem to look at: unity of the people as a country. Because one thing you didn't say, it's a psychological thing. West Nile, because of a long time of neglect, at times does not feel as if it is part of the rest of the country.
Muntu kuyarwa mu Koboko yazo mu district ya Maracha kandi oko wabireho munyishengero Kasiyano Wadri yamushabira karuro mbantu nuko muntu kutwara umugisha akaraganisa abanya-Uganda okwija kubakora arukora hanshonga ze by'amagara otireho no kurwanisa ubworo mbantu bo butosha.
Elina fuzoke ya Borisi bale anda bate minister tajokini ngone abo Museveni asisile anda maadi bizo revori ojomega oedio de kilako.
Ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West agachenchwire.
Webade Edwin Ram reka tumireho tugaruka naganda makuru agachenchwire. Agarukurataho akaruru mukaterere abaraba isi yobuhereza abantu bashabwa kutera karuru nekigenderwa mu shema.
Obuno buhabuzi ahabyo bwegese.
Abazire numukimanyangu abana bitu ababishiki beyongire kugumana bosha hishomero ahabwenshonga okugira ngo bazomushonga zabo z'abacyara mbuye no mucumureki mwongere kwegesa abana banyu ababishiki nangwana nabo bojo kugira ngo bamanye ngo okuzumushongezi neco gutosha ahabukuba ubutosha nyinena y'umwana kakuba yakura niba neyeperekanisiza okufunga umwana haza kwakubura umwana kwakubura kubaho then icyo cyicwe cyaba cyeterekanise cyuba cyo cyarugaho tikija kakashagama mbwe n'abana babica umubegese kandi umubegese na n'ubukoryo bundi obukuza kuba yamba kureba kucendeza ubusansiro bwo babiri bukabaremesa kuzayishonera
Obwe bwaba buryo buhabuzi ahabyo bwegese.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Imbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Imbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained, DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Imbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire oruguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33
Korku bujwireje turkwitaga no kugamba aba original garments bari sirempinduko mu kujwara nibajwe kabashija nabojo hamwe nabana na perfume zone bine suits z'umurembe ezimbaga eza office amasata gagumire na t-shirts empare za office hamwe na za casual wear denim jeans hamwe na shirts jumpers na sweaters z'umurembe bine na shorts hamwe na belts senunji abarkwenda vests boxers hamwe na socks original chiraba original garments abashija enkito zanye nunji is the original is our office sneakers hamwe na flats original garments nibashangwa hala Grand Mall Mbarara City a High Street ahamwarugo kubanza room namba ya kana note mshanju 82 emwe mshanju mukaga note na note mshanju note emwe mshanju mukaga note
Stuart Trading Company Limited yakuletere chitaramo cha Mpengo ni fermented beverage 2025. Echirukwiza kwata hasine higuru okumara ibiro bishatu 2012 byo kwezi 2025 chenjo jo mu chai 2025 byo kwezi 2011 chegego mu chai 2016 byo kwezi 2011 mubendo mu chai itizate utaferwe beshongozi bebemberwe David Rutalo MCs DJs okutaha hamwe 15 kandi no tunjira icupa ya Mpengo ni drink utaferwe kwangura ibihembo nka solar panels ebitereche bya Christmas amasimu t-shirts engofira Mpengo ni drink ente aprons ekiteramo cha Mpengo ni fermented beverage 2025
Kanti banjura ba Allen Interiors and Designing Hardware abantu bakafuru ba interior designing omuruberenge rw'izoba orino yombeka ninga nugundiza makagawe hoteli amashomero ninga shi business yawe chitaya iro yotungira amatara ga chandelier agarikawa okashangura uburaya sink zo murembe tiles za burishika wallpapers za toilet sheets dressing tables na millers shower mixers jacuzzi zo murembe za curtain water heaters tap mixers door locks carpets n'ebindi bingi kandi nibaguza kamwe hamwe na nokushubura nibashanga mu Imbarara City akikinya Bongo Street hina gate ya Baspaka aho ziri kutahiramo esumu note mushanju 2 anane 2 abiri na mushanju 93
manager ogito wagito ko kabatu mu kidara kabataka jiremo MC takiziri DJ achumwe na wiring byoma tugumiseze shanki 2
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
nawe pensiyo na nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Noireji Jemarari Gogo Country Hotel and Cultural Center omwanya mu nzo kujya highway ogo kutunziro cha mushana no kwegarura mamani ebirabi na mlebyo ku 12 shemerego by'enshogoro bya Nohire omutezi wa saxophone hamwe no muziki gwa DJ Hardboy aha Nohire ijoga ashura nabeka yawe obwe hariho live band na ba DJs abakabi ebirabi na mukaga boxing day ni Gogo Kids Festival and Family Day izoba ry'abana kushayaya bakazana n'abanyabuzane n'abanyamikago rero kusibura mwaka twegitebira chatune chimo byo ku 12 ahabwo izoba ry'egenzagwa otebigo fireworks hamwe n'abeshonza ry'enzagwa rero twacira mwaka gwo 2025 mu style aha kibanza mwaka kwato mwanya hati tera noti mushanje mukaga nshanje nibi 28 ninga za mukutu igongo.co.ug igongo ahebitaryewa ebyo biro bikuru birakolebwa
Christmas Bunyaruguru Development Sako yakuretera ishitereke nyamurungi aho buri wamwe arije kwangura bwa nyuma yo kugura no kusevinga emyeze 3 kuruga kibanzo ku 10 kutabira na bishatu byo ku 12 2025 otehireyo rero kirakomugisha go kutaho mukazano ko kwangura ebirabonye mwinji wasevinga miliyoni 2 neshweka nemigabo miliyoni 2 neshweka notungo mugisha go kwangura wasevinga emitwara 5 nemigabo emitwara 5 notungo mugisha go kwangura wasevinga emitwara 25 nemigabo emitwara 25 notungo mugisha go kwangura enkoko shukari omucheri emigazi nebindi nibaharon za boda dairy school fees agriculture emergency home improvement water harvest commercial loans n'ibindi nibashangwa Nyakasharu Bunyaruguru head office kandi bine branch Chambura Kitagwenda Ibanda Kagongo Kasese Katungu
ebiro bikurebi shemerwa
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashemerwa menji n'abatabarusi yabona abafuna visas bakatambura kandi benjera kubanyisa abantu mwena mw'imihendo yabo ebachazire mpaka kwa miliyoni 2.9 mega discount byona biwire harimo visa air ticket emishana mirungi munonga okora cha Kenyonyi omu Dubai emiromo kaba customer service airport security aviation stewards a check-in agent, landing grounds guides, and aircraft cleaners. Okuhandisa no kwabusha ahamirimo yona ahamataji gabogona.
Esimu noti mushanju ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itanu mukaga ninga noti mushanju ina itanu ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi.
Wararoteka tekera habyo kombeka jeno mu ba Dubai P&C Uganda Limited abari kushangwa omurimbarara site obwa hata bafurikire kimwe bakarga ahagaraji street no bashanga Makanising street ahakizimbe cy'aba sister hamwe na hashungine na Chosiga house hamwe na hawe house yabo rwogoma eru kushangwa aha Victor Bwana Road washumira ahabanda byembaho ogwaza Andrews ahu akatareka Makanising kafurikire ahawe house yabo bine hotels nyamwinji enchene mpango nka 60 by 60 na 120 by 60 okurga Twyford Kenya na China mikaso size zona nebikabya adhesive nka quick stick tile adhesive erukusiba tile zempango namabare gahabisika na swimming pools twinitaji ishaka waguro mu bwinji transport eruho wahika showroom yabe ya hawe house ebintu byona no butandu bata
Kurukayumka humro abantu abino buremambiri yabo nubenda government eyongere kubahwera kurabira mu program zayo kibahwero kwetungura abantu bagirango program za government ziri kubahwera akutunga entasya nince otebirwa amashomero obuhereza bw'byamagara nebindi ebyetago
abantu abine burema habiri yabo nibena government yongere kubakwatiraho on program zayo omuri ebyamagara ebyobwegese hamwe n'enshonga z'oburinganiza
emirundi mingi nabajoga umurema n'ekyo rukuboine omuntu agenda kikwataho kananda kumanya ngo turukubasa agenda hikaho mwene twenda n'ekyo nacaka akashorshore cyanako tukahikiho koroye n'ikintu cyawe hatagira umuntu wagira ata wakikwata kumena amangu n'ikintu cyawe.
I got so bedridden for 3 years, 2017 to 19. I never lost hope. Message kubawa temwe mara mu manya njagala nnyo oli Allen kyayogera tusobola takale tudeko lyerikola ki lyerikyamu era bwe twali nga tukola training zaffe bwe twayogera nga tugamba ffe tetulina buzibu abalala be bakola naffe tukola ki tubisobola.
Aba bari kwegetera mu kibiina kyabo ekiri kumanya nka Ankore Kigezi Persons with Disability Community Transformation Agency nabagira ngo abantu abali nk'aba barekirwe enyuma omu byanga.
We have been left out for all these years. We have not seen any schools, new schools being introduced here. And this all goes back to what I said, wrong perception by the donors. So we need to work hard to see that we bring in those services that have been left out.
Njagala kwebaza Africano, Mama Africano n'abaana ne family mwebale for that community contribution. Until today, Lukoweko is sitting on my land. Tetunagula ttaka. Where there is will, there is a way. Mukama tumanya jjakitu.
Omurukiiko rwabo rw'okuhendera omwaka orwaba hari Forest Park aho muri Mbarara bashalamu kutandika ehuriro y'okushomesa bagenzi baabo hamwe n'okurwanirira abo boona abo obugabe bwabo bukiri kurubatirwa.
To mobilize, sensitize and reach the unreachable persons with disabilities to educate them on food security for sustainable livelihood program.
Na bwanyuma babigoro ofisi erashiganisa emirimo yabo omu Rentondo Kakuba aho muri Mbarara. Omugandi government ya Uganda etongize kutandika kwatiraho abaana abine oburema ha mibiri yabo bari kubahereza emitwaro 10 buri mwana okwiha yazarwa okusiya emyaka 17. Ebyagambwa bakitongole kya government kya Nodipu ekiri kwatiraho abantu abine oburema ha mibiri yabo omu kiganiro kyaba hasebe kikuru kya Mbarara City.
Families z'abaana abaliko obulemu. Program eyo ejja kubanga ewa buli family y'omwana aliko obulemu mitwalo 10 buli mwezi nga sente zekweba abaana abali wakati we 0 to 17 years okubeera nga sente ezo ziyambako ku baana abo oba ku mwana aliko obulemu okuva mu families ezitali zimu.
Oguhona yashobora ko abantu aba balije kutunga obuwezo obu.
Government ejja kubanga ekolagana n'ebitongole by'abantu abaliko obulemu. Government ejja kubanga ekolagana n'abachapersons aba LS1 abatali bamu n'ebirala.
Abino bulema bije mu kiganiro eki bagamba habulemezo barukurabamu.
Ekikuzo omuntu ng'omuzire ezatufiteko omwana hansi akashanga ali omulema ekikumwijamu mu mutwe permanent loss.
Benja abana abo nibakira kuzarwa omu maka amagama gatari kwebasa.
Most of those children are born in families that don't have enough income.
Haza abantu abo oshanga kyababera ekizibu
and it becomes a big burden.
Abaana abo baba enyangwa.
Abwa TV West Susan Chelsea Mahana Akiza.
Minister omwezi w'enshonga z'abakozi Mary Grace Mugasa yahamiza emyeto government ya NRM eriyoneta emiringo y'okwangaho emirimo mu ihanga nuko kwiga emyeto okurekeraho okurikiza ebibarukuba bihabisa n'ebigambo by'okwetenga okureba orutaro mu ihanga.
Minisita omwezi w'enshonga z'abakozi Mary Grace Mugasa nagira ngo ekitongole kye ky'enshonga z'abakozi nikyereza emirimo abantu emitwaro 88 bonka kandi obwo abashomere bari bingi munonga. Omu mbeera egi nashobora government ya NRM eriyoneta emiringo mingi y'okuhangaho emirimo kurabira omu programu zitari zimwe na zimwe.
Nyeta abayingi tibanye na mirimo bambi emirimo egi ekwijja kuteebwaho private sector habwokuba economy yaito ya Uganda eri private sector led. Yitwe mu public service tukwereza emirimo abantu emitwaro 88 yonka abantu emiliyoni nka 46 ya Uganda. Ekikuba nikimanyisa ngu titukagabire kurungi emirimo university ekuturukia buli mwaka.
Minisita kugamba ebi yabanabugana oba chairman b'ebyaro ebiryo mu rurembo rwa Hoima ishomero rya St Benedetta Primary School omuhuru y'okutebekanisa okwakira President Museveni okutera kampeni 2011 by'okwezi oku.
Hati tukwenda kutimba tukwenda kutimba etamu tulio tukumaliza mulo omuntu wabaeleza obakolesa n'abakatoliki mulo mwa vivi tugenda tusimbe emiti tutandike tubuteeke
nkaba nisomesa Dwaga Boys omwaka
kuruga mwaka kuri 1982 baite bintu bitari byangu ubire bona tuyikaraga iruka
Ezra Tayebwa chairman wa chombo zo mu rurembo rwa Hoimana jangwe bintu nibice biri kuburamu ko kusya amashanyarazi mu ruburika hamwe na mizi
aburamu kiri harume ngundo zimezi kwetaga kolasi katugame ko ruguru rwa Hoima Nyantonzi road baite ngundo zikiziro bwingi zikuzero then kuburamu na amaizi ga pipe to water kandi no kutukonya ratu ina amaizi ga gravity bili yangu gravity kakuba bili yangu gravity batugure tanke kukira y'ukoto
kampeni hizi tuzimane za president na kwa kampeni na ijakumu nikirorango kampeni rallies zibasekuru na hati kina kumekinga shwango rallies wana garakakure mu region yetu zile kuribata kusaho kurwanagana kusaho akavuye kona kajya kuba
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni aje kutera campaign no mu Ruhoima 2011 rwa kane Sander kwija gashako Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto
Wabere Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto tuchina ganda makuru bitureka tumire ontugaruka
Katochi yeri no bunuzi bwayo Katochi kerya hamutindo Katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nakwa hamutima ryaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya Katochi mugume munyweco Katochi yeri no bunuzi bwayo Katochi kerya hamutindo Katochi yeri na chama chayo muhute Katochi yerya hamutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
rya mujungu nsako yakuretera umucago kwetaba mu kazano kandi ukasingura ibihembo nyamwinji bwa nyuma yo kubika kumara imyezi 3 tari hayo bika kutandikira imitwari 10 osingura ibihembe biri mente ibihembe bindi birimo za water tanks smartphones embuzi emfariso za branjiti enkoko n'ekitire cya nyamurungi kandi okusingura na AGM obwinji bwo bukonje bworagure niko n'emica yawe yo kusingura ereyongera rya mujungu sako bino buhereza bwa business loans school fees loan, agriculture loans, boda n'izindi nyinji. Rya mujungu sako erashangwa rya mujungu Nyakasharara Kaharo omuri Kabale kandi ina mataji omuri Kahondo Maziba buharaka mwezi gwa matunguru Kigonji Kabale Rubaya hari rya Kalimira Rubanda na Rwentobo tungamo esimu noti mushaje 2 anana mushanju 58 nkaga na mwenda Norondo mwanya aho bugwaje buri kubugabugana umutindo twakwakira ahari The Arena Villas and Hotel shemererwa omuhereza burungi ubwo mutindo gwa higuru ubwo buraro umwanya guri kuretera wahurira nkoryo muka twine restaurant yo mutindo kandi nitkora coffee eyo murembe hamwe na pizza ako kunywa karungi ahabara yo mutindo ubwo uri kura ubuhumuriro burungi ubwo utakarebaga parking nemarira kandi rinze rweje hariho na wifi ahabukuba ubusinje bwawe ni kikuru hari The Arena Villas and Hotel twine gardens za mutindo The Arena Villas and Hotel no hurra nkoriyo mukabuzima ni cyangwa enyuma ya Shell Makinke arugudo rwa Masaka gamba nitwe ari noti 3 10 23 nkaga ni 5 ninga noti 2 noti chenda nina chinana ni 2 25 Webare kutorana Rukiga Sako Limited imyaka yona nko muringo gumwe ugo kwebaza twakuretera promotion yo kwendera umwaka yetunzire roni kari miliyoni igana umubiro bishatu byonka ahamagoba gacendezibweho twine ronizi keza bushubuzi ubwinji no burisa school fees amashomero amaramizo nebitongore bindi ezo kutungura mutindo gweka tanka za mizi boda ezabacyara neminyeto umuri branches nkamuhanga main branch Kamwezi Rwamucucu Kashamya Nyaruziba Sizi Kabare Rukunjiri hamwe na Rubanda urabasa koze simu okubika kwiyayo no kushashura roni tera star 299 star 2 hash okuratirenda jero twine accounts ezabakuru hamwe n'ezabato gureminga betano no kwiyongera higuru usingure bihembo aho naho esimu noti 3 25 anani 5 na mwenda Musei kwa badomu rwa Katoli kundongozina
nanywedde kano ka Luvera Chauda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati ndi kakyebule Mutoro, okododa kololo okotyonguka kwata kano.
Muzeyi kano bakayita batya?
Pineapple soda drink. Kakamudwa mu nanasi.
Bojo.
Mutoro, va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe Kakiga.
Bangambye omubiri munafunafu Kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Iye, naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi. Butamira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Banyetaka emigisha Meru Kamahoro wa Complete Medical Clinic Kazo. Nyenda kusima obuheereza bwa Fresh Solar Uganda. Ito tukuza kutandika kozesa Fresh Solar Uganda tukagira challenge nyingi amashanyarazi osanga amashanyarazi nigarigaho nigagenda gayise byoma konka kurugana ingikozesa mashini zanje nindeba zona zirije kurenterije ahaba rwire bakwiziraniye mbakoraho so ni cyabantu ndiye mugumizemo obuheereza mutereze
Mweniwe oasaruni, abamashomero, abamaduka, abazafamu, n'abatunzi b'enkoko, banyina maka, abamabara na za hoteli. Tunga sora ya fresi, rero kora magoba. Ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira, bagikanike, kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara. Aho gabusha free. Ebiro kukira hotera, noti munana noti, hasha tunamukaga, hatano na mushanju, ngaga ni itano, yabusha.
Olina omutwe guluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kirama Plus. Kirama Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kirama Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Kurugera kimumbuji mu bwenshoza ankore Uganda ayi ensinembe honungi birukweza burujuma rw'umwani ekitarya handi burujuma n'uruhingwa no kwegendesereza kandi rushoromwa ry'abahingi kurinda itaka hamwe no kubaho bukogo ahara Ankore Coffee Producers Cooperative Union ACPCU nitweretera umwani gukarangirwe je gunusere gwinaka hoho komutindo hasa gutebekana isigweje kora birometendere kere ukongera ibirungo byitunyamurungi abahingi n'iminyeto n'abahwerwa Ankore Coffee omunkora yo kutungura byaro nywa umwana umurungi ku 5 ogwa Ankore Coffee ugutafuhirirwe n'imibasi ugurukwamagara marungi kandi ogwara kusya kiroto cyawe buzimeki n'ikirungo cyitu cyo buhangwe cy'ikere kwenda kumenya ibiro kukeraho tera note 8 note 3 note 5
Obwengula obulabika obulungi okutuukira ddala ku ttaka erya langi eya kitaka. Langi zino tuzirabira ne ku bisenge, ku mmotoka ne mu bunyonyi kw'ossa ne mu bisolo eby'enjawulo. Langi eno erungi ya buli kimu. Langi bwe bulamu.
Okusinziira ku langi ez'enjawulo enkumuliitu ze tulina ku Global Paint, ye langi wa Global aleetawo enjawulo ku bisenge. Tulina Global Silk Vinyl asiigibwa munda, Global Weather Coat asiigibwa ebweru ne Global Matte owazisiiringi. Weefunire langi ya Global ku hardware yonna ekuli okumpi.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
Your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Simply buy a Gaga bundle by dialing *100 *0# and stand a chance to win a fully paid trip to Morocco. Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Together, our fire is unstoppable. Fire! MTN. Terms and conditions apply. MTN Uganda is regulated by Uganda Communications Commission.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Gaga your way to
to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Simply buy a Gaga bundle by dialing *100*0# and stand a chance to win a fully paid trip to Morocco. Gaga your way to Morocco with Uganda Cranes and MTN. Together, our fire is unstoppable. Fire! MTN. Terms and conditions apply. MTN Uganda is regulated by Uganda Communications Commission.
Twakwakirwa Allen Women's Wear Point amaka gukunyirira emishono hamwe no kwiyikiririzamu nitukuretera omushono gwa buri mukoro rero kitera ije tora no myenda yitu nka silk chiffon emyenda y'abagore ebitenje hamwe n'ebiteeteye by'omurembe twine na za bags ezokugenda n'aha mikoro na bags ezirikwihayo style yawe omubwijwire nituguza wholesale hamwe na kamwe tushanje aharimbaguta street ahashungine n'ecombeko echa Hosma Ruma Abernina tukunyirize Christmas egi ebirikucaho tera not mushanju 58 16 kinananibe not 8 Allen's Women Wear Point. Your smartness is our concern.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Umuhabuzi wa President Anshonga z'ebyobushubuzi Audrey Rwabogo arabwira abatezi b'akaruru muri Shema South ngo batakakikozire babanze batekateka barebe umuntu orabaretere obuhereza bitukutara kuteza akaruru akahehe.
Abatezi b'akaruru kushabwa kutera akaruru k'enshonga bigambirwe barukurondera kwatire bendera NRM Professor Ephraim Kamuntu kandi oryo muhabuzi wa President ahabwa enshonga za manifesto.
Imyaka 5 wizi numureba president kuma mwangire bayi boburwa professor yasho yamwegaruriza omwegaruriza nako yakomeza munayamba abantu bashema
Rwabwogo obirajwe kirwe Francis Kagonyera agambira bashema House ngo barondo umuntu orukubasa kuhika president ningo rukuhiko mu kiyungu ninga cabinet.
Yes. Ezisheze ndagabira professor arastama mu cabinet. Atumwenda kusiga umuntu arastama mu cabinet. Arastama na president Museveni. Akumanya kishenye cha muzeya ukiri. Muzaho ku muntu akuzaha heru yagete kulinguriza takwasa kuikayo.
Ogu agambira bashema House ngo bashemerire kwegisha mu ruhango okurwo mu karora kahwire.
Ebiri kumwe bitanu mwe kwatenga manya factor tumwe kwatenga ngomuti mwe kwata bashatu mutera karuruke bamurangirire mwani yageze murekagenda weka
abebembezi bo muri Bugonji Town Council bagambira habuhereza obarkwenda omucanga cyabo.
Etegerize parliament kwerabeho minister wa land za chitom parliament chingure Bugonji College of Nursing
batandikire ahubwo kuba kwegeranya nyakizi ayo kubarebera yose urabizoye
nabwa nyuma baraganisa abanyabwonji ngo cyo kubahereza university yo kushomesa abashaho epapura byabone bizakwikaho ibishemerire ku bane biza batyo barambura itaka rero batandikireho mu rumogo gasha kwa Mike Twacire ahabwa agacencwire
Babere Michael Atwacire abazire bashabwa okwegesa abana babo emirimo y'eby'emikono hamwe no kurebuza emico yabo mbwire obw'ecumuro okushaba okwahebwayo Boneka Shija Mutunji obuyaba ari aha mukoro gwo kuhendera etamu aha Shepherds of Excellence Nasaran Primary School omuri Katete Mbara City.
Obwari amukoro gokujora kwabeje ba top class R Shepherd of Excellence Nasaran Primary School Boneka Shija Mutunji yaje abazire okurebuza emico y'abana babo omucyumuro babegese n'emirimo y'emikono.
Nimangu turiyeta uni tuinemirimo myingi tugira byinje biri kuteganisa kongananisha abangunga abazire kimese kinezo mbazire tugirogwire cyamanyisa kurigire emirimo yitukora tushabeho ofu izoba rumwe n'ingabiro mu wiki kumanya umwana witu natwazata
bamwe abatandikiro ishomerere hariho ebatugambera.
Yes, tukatandika 2023 hati twantu mutu graduatinga abeji bitu abo twatandikira nabo ninga embebe yitu etayitwa shakira hero.
Our mission is to provide quality education and child-centered learning in a safe, nurturing and disciplined environment while instilling moral values, creativity, lifelong skills for excellence and community transformation.
Mbona tuna new curriculum wejo kaishobora na mbona sama sumala gani mtufire ba modo mtwezunise tubase kubayamba ubeje kweza masomo gani abazire nisha bamwe bana bazo mucumura mazima nishaba abana bitu mubarebere kurungi ko tube tubine baza kuzimu cyumuro bazimu cyaro mutaka bakwata za TV orona kubona ubwongo bukagenda.
Omugandi oturukwirira ebiro bikuru na munonga cy'amazaro ga Yesu erizoba abakristayo bacyambuba Christian Fellowship omuri Shema babagana akaboksi omurunugo gwagwebembirimo Pastor Apuri.
Nabagani mutoro yanje abnesatu at Christmas nanye yakusanga semererwe nakurgaha ndinoho business ya chapati nakuraho katoni ngano nekire kikuru cyaza kukambe nakozeho n'amaguba
omumwanya gogoma ntusabiriza ntuhe mahembe ebyo nebyo kwiha mahembe obumwe ntushobya n'oburugu nali n'obutakora betu kokoyegese kanisa kukora tokwizagira gura hobona bwo bwitante tokwiza kutamu rwango agwa abantu begisize kukora ba pastors banywane banje abandi kukora nabo tuwegese kanisa zitu kukora niyo tandikaho boxi nali izo turebe yitu tumazire myaka musanju tukachikora tuta
kanye nentasya orumostemo yikuri senkoko ngati ni mpinge nyanya ndi sembuzi ni korortoche ni mpinga n'izindi mboga
akabukisa k'inkasi milito nk'abarokore wade harimo n'amadina gandi ite nk'abarokore katuyambere enyuma aho abarokore akagaya barangutire cyo kwaza kwekora konka nintangara umuntu wo kuranga no wahansi shango umuntu abice miliyoni zeyishatu
Uganda barumu abanyakatolika barumu tukatandika tuli ba memba nkaga konka hati tuli mu ba memba 211 abali active osanga ni 19 abakene bo batali active so konka ntusaba peace rugambwa tuyambo tutembo umukono mu kabokisaka Jacqueline Honorable Adrian Juliette basisa munyano witu MP wa Mitoma
nuko umuntu ukanyambere niyo nivuga boda boda kandi niyo muhingi kuko ya mesente nonda fataliza ngite ko mutoce na nyofuna mu kabandi
kabokisa kashangire kakore mukago kamanyisa abantu
wamanya mugenzi wawe wakwatanisa na mutahi wawe azo mukumanya okwe oshanga wari gwo mudara wazo murinda go kunywana
aba TV West ni Senyomo Gideon na Nita Atkunda.
Obo UPDF erikwetebekanisa ekiro kya tarehe 6 herizoba yakwatiraho amashomero abo bwegese obu barikukwatiraho abana b'ishomero erya gavumenti erya Kayungwa Primary School erikushanga omu kyaro kya Butagasi omugombero ya Kayungwe omu district ya Kanungu omu kyanga ekya Kigezi ishomero eryahebwa ebitabo ebi UPDF eyihire omu kitongore eky'ebyamakuru ekya Vision Group.
Amahaga UPDF gebembirwe Meja Josephat Tumukunde bachwamo kwirukangirira ishomero rya Kayungwa Primary School erikushanga mu district ya Kanungu nebitabo n'obucumu okubahweraho mu kushoma kwabo.
I want to take this opportunity to thank UPDF for coming here to celebrate with us Tale sister. And really we want to thank these people, UPDF, for bringing scholastic materials to our runners.
Ekibachikora barikwetebekanisa ekiro kya tarehe 6 ekirikwijo kubaho ebiro mukaaga okwezi ko kubanza 2026 aho emikorere akorerwa mu district ya Kisoro ahari NTC. Meja Tumukunde obwo arikwasa beje bitabo yabashabo kuba abana b'emico emirungi lere babasise okuhinduka bebembezi banyensya.
We are looking at the most vulnerable schools which parents may not be able to get scholastic materials and give them to their learners, and we said we should give specifically to those very schools that are vulnerable, where the parents may not easily be able to give the required scholastic materials.
Ogona yayongera yabashabo kukurana bakundi ihanga ryabo ogayisiraho kwate cyeshongoro cy'ihanga nebicweka byacyo byona ebiriyo mu cyeshongoro eki obagumize muri bitabe byabahebwa icyeshongoro cy'ihanga nicyo kimwe kirumu.
As UPDF, yes, we have been doing this in other schools, but where we make learners benefit from scholastic materials, we don't do any construction. Yes, as part of Tale Sita, we have constructed some classrooms in other schools, though this one has not benefited. And I have realized that there are schools which are more in need than this one. That is where the construction of classrooms took place.
Ebintu bimwe ahabitabo bya Vision Group ebyerukora na mwenu Meja Jonathan Tumukunde yasima company ya Vision Group ahabo kurugayina entebekanseji okuleba ngo mwana w'ihanga yashomaje.
Paka za League Chirmane y'umupira gwa Bungereza ya Premier League ezanirwe nyekiro kandi timu ya Manchester United yagumize mukora kubihwa nyuma yo kugwa kikazi na West Ham na gore mwe ahandisho mzano kuzanirwa Hatshay Old Trafford.
Oh, Bowen's got really fortunate here. He's passed the next one as well, gets the shot in, but Senna Lammers is in the right.
Babaruko bumurebe murunjo amakuru agacenshira wanagakusiyaho nabantu babazi Charity na Sunday Brand wenda kwendeza umwebazi yo murunji weekend ekubereye ihorere orare kurunji.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubi Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
okumbireba nekukibaho.
Fresh Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kwisaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buri kyetengo cyawe cyona.
Oyine mbogoka ndaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Tina Events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent z'ebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko.
Program okumbireba yes embogo ni yeroho kirizobo gani je tunywa njisanya mbere ndiyo mu mbago ku side za Kampala n'abantu bakubandebere ngo embogo wagireta de good simple nyo sakete bwanje aza iwanarongo kechuroto oronde embogo mu gisindike nani zo mugenya abantu no bende embogo wahuriyo kechuroto nwabucho mugwe musindike embogo abantu no bagenda akacupani sirinjuru kumi kumbucha and mixture. Fresh Uganda n'amashanzi gizoba amashanzi gachi gizoba tugakurara nabwe Lower Sachura Road na district zona ezitwetorire abenkoko aba welding abamashomero abamarwaro mwena numwetaga amashanyarazi ago. Tina event abantu bobonka ab government hatetero stamp mugende mukole aki hari nkaba konkaba abantu bindi cyo gukora nabwe chomba sangwa Bremba Road Central Market Building Mbarara City room number 17. Constitution ya Uganda ekiyaho ekintu cyo kwita umuntu kumwita ate na bakusentencinga emagaraga mpaka omuchome konkane ngirango firing squad egaruko araha abantu bariyo bita abantu kandi abantu bona no babamanyi abantu bariyo bafa slowly and people are keeping quiet. Those people should be arrested. Mpereze kure omuntu yakwataka video omuntu yakwata ebinyobwa yaza kwata ebinyobwa yasukamuka acid yajongoza karya su mwana gwa muntu kure ngo tumuka mutuhire tumura ngo mwisaka mwana basichise ebinyobwa acid hati wo kwata ebinyobwa tayota ka acid kafutana bishina kakarwara kana tukurisho ngo kansai kwa stage 4 erabiri wajetegereza amahuwa atabantu kubabira shukari baba tabwoki kuba bateka bwoki batekateka ngo banyo bwoki kuno baryombanywa oil. What is nyenda mu ngambere eyimukureba enjoki de romonto zaho gambe iwono chinywa shukari ha shukari nerwaze tukazabwoki obwoki ubu kona nendo bwoki gendo gure 10 ochiteko mu rutocherwa umusiri gwawo oyihakura. Otherwise obwoki obwokureba mu supermarket za Uganda zono kare mote where do they imbabu yaka this obwoki obu manufactured eba kuteka mu kala tigebe yorarebera obwoki bukushamiza yoraburebera okabuyanka nabwecho twegendesereza. You can imagine omuntu yarga shukari konka yaza shukari guru omuntu yarga shukari yaza oil omuntu yarga shukari yazomba bintu bitakwetegereza. Uganda abantu aba bakwita abantu mubakwate omukare bari omuntu nakora sausage najikora bintu bitakwetegereza abantu bakwata amati ngwa amatemanya nenyama bagiteka mbazo nebintu bibi oze kuzo motoka oil iba kuteka mu engine yawe to oil. Where are we going? Abantu babantu tubatihe kiragiro tugarihanga gito muko nukwenko bireba iwe no bireba.
Okumbireba yaba ni kukibaho.
Fresh Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kwisaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buri kyetengo cyawe cyona.
Oyine mbogoka ndaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayi mukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensiyona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent z'ebike bindi byona akasente kenshi ko
Orwa mkaga
for teaching us different aspects as they are children. When we are here at school, may the good Lord reward you accordingly.
The district inspector of schools, Madam Nasi Orichiza, revealed that Brian Chilco's primary school topped among government and private schools, becoming the best in the entire district.